is Josh. I just got done riding the Blizzard Peacemaker. This is a 5 out of 5 star ski for me. It's 104 underfoot. It's got a pretty good amount of rocker, tip and tail, fairly stiff for the amount of rocker, but incredibly nimble. It made great medium to long radius turns, fairly playful coming around the mountain. It's definitely a ski that wants to be in softer, deeper snow, but it handled itself very well in the hard pack. If you're that expert level skier that really kind of is looking for a wider all mountain ski or a one quiver ski, this would be an awesome ski for you. 5 out of 5 stars.